In the last video in this segment, we discussed many ways in which you can create earning opportunities for you while still being in the college. This video is about how you can utilize those earning opportunities later and then manage your expenses. Hi guys, this is Isha Kapoor and you're watching Vlogish. As you all know, I have this habit of giving 5-step, 6-step, 3-step, 4-step techniques to you. So this video is again about those techniques only. For all judiciary aspirants, elite batch is starting at an academy. It is for a year. It commences on 4th of August, and the course will be taught by experts who have a high watch time on an academy. You will cover comprehensive topics on all the subjects like criminal law, civil law, be it general knowledge or be it the local laws. तो आपको पहले से ही डेट्स बताई जाएंगी पूरी तरह से. अगर आप जो मैंने लिंक इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है उसे ओपन करके देखते हो, आपको दिख जाएगा कि कितने ज़्यादा डिटेल्ड टॉपिक्स हैं. और आपको हर टॉपिक, जैसे कि अभी मैंने आपको आईपीसी और सीआरपीसी के टॉपिक्स दिखाए, ऐसे ही आपको हर टॉपिक इतने ही डिटेल में पढ़ाया जाएगा. उसके बाद अगर आप देखो तो 4th अगस्त को आप स्टार्ट करोगे तो आपको 11th 12th अगस्त तक जनरल एक्सप्लेनेशंस भी पूरे हो जाएंगे और उन पर डाउट टेकिंग सेशंस भी हो जाएंगे. नाउ दीज doubt taking sessions will be interactive. These will be one on one. These will not be like those sessions where you have 400 people in the class और आपकी बारी नहीं आ रही है डाउट पूछने की. अब अगर आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है तो आप गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन पे क्लिक करोगे और वहाँ पे Vlogish रेफरल कोड ज़रूर लिखोगे, ताकि आपको अगर 24 मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन 50,000 रुपीज़ का है, दैट इज़ फॉर सम 2,000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ, तो वो आपको 10% ऑफ होने के बाद 45,000 तक का हो जाए. देखो, जैसे ही आप ये Vlogish रेफरल कोड लिखोगे, बिल्कुल वैसे ही आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन अमाउंट चेंज हो जाएगा. सो गो एंड परचेज राइट नाउ. फर्स्ट स्टेप, it is my personal suggestion to you. It is what I have been following. Aim for saving at least 20% of what you have in hand. This should be the first rule of your college life. Let me just start with a very simple amount. I have this plan before me. For example, you get rupees 100 as your pocket money each day. You should aim to save at least rupees 20 every day and more if you can. So now when I'm saying 100, do not assume that this will be the exact figure, because nowadays traveling can cost you even more. If you want to eat outside, it can cost you even more. And there are other expenses also that you need to manage. But if you have this habit of saving 20%, I am sure that your accounts would be filled in a very shorter time as compared to the other people who do not have this habit, and you will continue to inculcate this habit. You will carry it forward in your life. Now, how can you save those 20%? By budgeting. So, second step is to open a bank account. When you will open a bank account, you will have this thing in mind. You will be saving mindfully. What you will do then is, whenever you will save something, or whenever you will see your bank passbook, whenever anybody will talk about that, a flash will come into your mind. A flashback will come that, okay, I have a bank account existing and I need to do something with it. I need to keep depositing some money in it. So whatever you are earning through your side channels, through whatever work you're doing in the law school, and whatever pocket money you're getting from your home, you will start saving it from the amount. See, always remember that a lot of you were asking me that we are unable to save, that we are unable to budget, because we get a small pocket money or we earn a small amount through other activities that we do in the law school. But for me, I would say that no amount is small, especially during this time when you are, I know we are in a pandemic and this is a very difficult situation, but a lot of people are saving money on traveling. Like offices are saving on electricity, like colleges are saving on electricity, and a lot of the facilities we are, or the students are saving on traveling because of these work from home opportunities, study from home opportunities. So that's where you can save. So every time कुछ ना कुछ तो हमारे पास होता ही है जिस एक्सपेंस को हम कट डाउन करके सेव कर सकते हैं. और अगर आप फर्स्ट और सेकंड दोनों स्टेप को फॉलो करके एक अपनी बजटिंग करोगे 20% सेव करने वाली, और एक बैंक अकाउंट खोलोगे, तो डेफिनेटली आप एक ट्रैक पे तो आ ही जाओगे. थर्ड स्टेप अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर बजट is listing down your expenses. Now, as a college student, what all expenses do you have? The biggest expense, travel, then eating out, then birthdays, events, parties that you occasionally attend, or some of you may attend more than others, and then shopping. If you want to buy something for yourself, if you want, sometimes you want to buy something for the family, you want to save some amount to buy something for your friends. List down all these things. If you have your best friend's birthday and your brother's birthday or your sister's birthday in 1 month, list it down. Okay, in that month, cut down on your shopping. In that month, cut down on your traveling if you can. In that month, you can definitely cut down on your habit of eating out. Do not eat out frequently. So that's how listing down your expenses can help you. Now, in all my videos, I say that maintaining a journal is very important, a bedside journal. In that bedside journal, you can have a small section, or you can maintain a very, very small diary where you can mention your expenses as well. Maintaining a source of income. So you may think that, oh, I'll do this, oh, I'll do that, but plan in advance. I've given you an entire video on how you can develop earning opportunities for you. Do utilize that. उसमें इतनी सारी opportunities हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको काम में आ ही जाएंगी. और अगर आप एक maintain करके चलोगे कि अगर आपको पता होगा कि I have to work this much, that I at least earn 3,000, 4,000 rupees per month from my side income. I'm not saying a huge amount. I think that this amount is also noticeable enough because you're still a college student. You're still studying, and your degree demands a lot of attention. It demands a lot of patience. It demands a lot of work, hard work. So you cannot be that cruel to yourself that you run before earning and spending a lot of time on earning as well and then studying as well. So you don't need to be put that much pressure on yourself. बट डेफिनेटली मेंटेन अ सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. पता होना चाहिए कि मैं कितना इनकम जनरेट कर लूँगा, कर लूँगी. ओके, अपने लास्ट 3-4 मंथ्स को ट्रैक करो और उससे आप ये चीज़ पता लगाओ. जब सोर्स ऑफ इनकम पता होगा तभी तो एक्सपेंसेस को लिस्ट डाउन करके और अपने इनकम को लिस्ट डाउन करके आप उन एक्सपेंसेस को मैनेज कर पाओगे. और इन एक्सपेंसेस को मैनेज करने के लिए एक चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि कभी भी प्रिटेंशियस मत होना. वेन एवर वी आर इन स्कूल, कॉलेज और इवन आफ्टर दैट वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वेयर पीपल मे फोर्स अस टू बिकम प्रिटेंशियस, और I'd say that our inner self forces us to become pretentious because we want to do what others are doing. We want to present like we can spend a lot of money without any trouble. But not all of us are in the same shoes. All of us won't fit in the same situation. Therefore, do not hesitate while stepping back from something because you have a plan in mind and you want to execute that plan. You want to stand up to your promises, the promises that you have made to yourself first before making any other person feel satisfied with your conduct, of course. So the last thing is very much related to this, and that's about changing habits. This won't happen overnight, but this will happen eventually. Why am I discussing it? Because I believe कि आप लोग मुझे बोलते हो कि हम आपकी बातें बहुत मानते हैं, हम आपकी वीडियोस में बताई हुई बातें मानते हैं, हमें लगता है आप अपने रियल एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करते हो, तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरी ज़रा ये वाली बात भी मान लोगे. धीरे धीरे अपनी हैबिट्स को हम कैसे चेंज करेंगे? प्रिटेंशियस नहीं होना, ये तो मैंने बता दिया. अब ये हैबिट्स की लिस्ट है. सबसे पहले अगर आपको कॉलेज में कट डाउन करना है एक्सपेंसेस पे, तो इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम अ सिटी in which your college is not situated, then I am sure that you will have to spend a lot of money on rent, food and whatnot. But but at least you can do one thing. You can learn cooking. You can cook for yourself. वो healthier भी होगा and it will be good for your pocket as well. Once you start cooking, a lot of expenses will be cut down. Traveling to the place where you get food, paying for the food, because it's generally very expensive if you want to eat good quality food. Your expense on medical bills, because you'll fall sick less often. Otherwise, if you'll keep eating outside a lot of you'll have stomach issues, you'll have a lot of other issues. So you can at least do this. Limiting going out. So make this promise to yourself that you will allow yourself to go out, to go for a party, to go for a meetup once a week. Okay, you can enjoy in your college as well. Now it's all about online classes. So yeah, I'm really sorry. So you can enjoy in your online classes अगर हो सके तो. But yes, बाहर भी जाना है तो week में एक बार. Make this a habit that I won't go out again and again. Then even if you have a car, even if your parents can afford to give a car, make it a habit to travel by public transport. Okay, unless the car is a cheaper option for you. Okay, unless it's an electric car or something. Okay, so make it a habit to travel by public transport, to travel by bus, metro, and everything. Okay. देखो, यही वाला टाइम है जो आपको टाइम मिलेगा कि आप कैसे भी ट्रैवल कर सकते हो और आप बहुत सारी नई नई चीज़ें भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. तो आई थिंक आपको वो कर लेना चाहिए. इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, आपको हमेशा एक रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करना है. जो भी हमने स्टेप नंबर 1 to 4 में डिस्कस किया वो आपको हमेशा मेंटेन करना है. आपको हमेशा याद रखना है. अपना एक जर्नल भी आपको हमेशा मेंटेन करना, याद रखना है. टेक वॉकिंग एज अ रूल. नेक्स्ट हैबिट. If you have to travel from metro station to your college, from the bus stop to your college, and the distance is half a kilometer, 1 kilometer, make walking a habit. घर से थोड़ा जल्दी निकलो ताकि walking के लिए time बचा के निकलो. I know it will save a small amount. Maybe it will save 20 to 40 rupees for you each day. But if you save 40 rupees daily for 5 days, you will save 800 rupees in a month. So saving 800 rupees just by traveling, and that's also benefiting you. That will benefit you health wise, that will keep you fit, that will help you get a good body, that may help you get back in shape if you're trying that as well. That may even help you cut down your gym expenses. That may even help you. तो अगर इतनी सी चीज़ से इतना कुछ हो सकता है तो हम क्यों ना करें. और अपनी शॉपिंग को भी लिमिट करो. लेकिन मैं आपको एक प्रो टिप देना चाहती हूँ. हमको लगता है कि हम अपने लिए कुछ चीज़ें नहीं खरीदेंगे या फिर हम अपने एक्सपेंसेस पे हमेशा कट डाउन करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. बट माई प्रो टिप इज़ टू स्पेंड मनी ऑन योर सेल्फ, टू शॉप फॉर योर सेल्फ एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ मंथ. अब ये शॉपिंग कोई बम्पर शॉपिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू कैन मे बी बाय न्यू ईयरफोन्स फॉर यू. You can maybe buy a 400 rupee wallet for you. You can buy 100 rupee earrings. You can buy a small ring for you. Then on days when you have a lot of money saved, when you have earned a little extra, or when you have earned considerably, maybe you can buy a good watch for yourself. So everything depends upon the routine you're following, what you're trying to get in your life. So aim for things and you'll get those. That's how budgeting can be done during the college. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है, बट क्योंकि आप लोगों ने कहा तो मेरे को लगा मुझे वीडियो बना देनी चाहिए इस पर. अगर आपने पहली वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी है जिसमें मैंने अर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ डिस्कस की है तो वो भी जाके देख लो, वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है देखनी. और आप लोगों ने ही रिक्वेस्ट किया था. और ये बजटिंग वाली वीडियो भी पसंद आई है तो मुझे नीचे कॉमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कॉमेंट बॉक्स में. आई लव टू हियर बैक फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ़ यू गाइज. टेक दिस वीडियो एज कॉन्वर्जेशन बिटवीन अस. ओके, ऐसा मत सोचो कि मैंने आपको कोई गाइड दे दी जो आपको फॉलो करना ही करना है. बट इसको टिप्स की तरह से लो. ऐसा समझो कि ये मैंने टिप्स अपनी लाइफ में यूज़ किए और अगर आप भी यूज़ करोगे तो शायद आपको भी फ़ायदा हो जाए. क्योंकि आपको इस बारे में बात करनी थी और हमारे पास बात करने के लिए एक ही चैनल है, दैट्स Vlogish. That is why this video, that is why you just watched this video, completed this video. Thank you for watching it. I'll meet you again very soon with a new video on a new concept. Bye for now.